The proposed routing protocol is Sarp, in which the best path is chosen based on the round trip time and the per hop delay, and after choosing the best path, the data is transmitted. During the data transmission, at the first time of the data is transmitted, the expiration time for the route is set. Okay, these are some of the preliminaries are as follows, in which the trust value for all the neighbor nodes in the network is initially 1, and some of the control messages are hello message, in which this is a routing table end message, in which the trust value for their neighbors is initially 1, and if it is a malicious node, the trust value will be 0 and the expiration time for that particular node will be set. And other control messages are RREQ for route request, in which a multiple paths algorithm is used, and routes sent by their hops. In the RREQ format is the first hop, which is used to differentiate the nodes which is using multipath, which is derived from AOMDV, and the routing table has additional 2 entries, which is the trust value and the first hop as follows. And MNDP packet is a malicious node detection packet, in which the MNDP packet is sent along the first 3 arriving routes from the destination. After the RREP is received by the source node, the MNDP packet is generated and sent along the route by the source nodes. The complaint packet is as follows, in which you can send the complaint packet. The complaint packets can be sent by 3 nodes in the network, namely the source node, intermediate node, and the destination node. The source node sends the the complaint packet if the malicious node is detected by sending the MNDP packet. The intermediate nodes detect the malicious nodes if any of the nodes sends a high power transmission signal, and the destination node detects the malicious nodes if the 2 malicious nodes appears to be neighbors, and it is detected and the information is acquired when the source node sends the RREQ to the destination. If the path nodes, 2 malicious nodes in the path appears to be neighbors, then the destination node sends the complaint packet to reinitialize the values of the malicious nodes, and the expiration time will be reinitialized. The proposed SOP is as follows, and the procedure for receiving RREQ by the intermediate nodes and the source node is as follows. And the destination is as follows. If all the nodes in the network checks for the value, if the sender IP and the trust value is 1, it will accept. Or if the sender IP and the expiration time is less than the threshold, it will accept. Otherwise, the packet is rejected. The node is considered as malicious node and the packet is dropped. The RREQ is dropped. And further, if the particular node is a destination, not a destination node, it will save it in the routing table entry and just forward it along the destination. Since it is a multipath, if the intermediate node hears the RREQ with a different first hop, and the values hop count is similar to the entry already created by the routing table, it saves the 2 reverse entries and drop that particular packet. And this is the diagram in which the source node sends the RREQ packet and the intermediate nodes process it and send it. Here A and H are the 2 malicious nodes which it performs the in-band and out-band channel wormhole attacks. In this, the node G transmits the RREQ which pass through the first hop B and sends it to F. The F sends it to H. The H detects that particular packet is original packet which is sent along B, so it is dropped by H. To reply for the first 3 RREQs which is arrived, obviously the first 3 RREQs will have the lesser hop count, and the source node which receives the RREP first, along the route it will send the MNDP packet. These are the first three routes in which in this example we considered SAHD and SBGID and SCLNKD. Along these three routes the MNDP packet is sent. The intermediate nodes, after receiving the MNDP packet, replace it and forward it. In this, the malicious node A, after receiving the MNDP packet, replies to the source node and forward the package to H by encapsulating through E and H. Thereby E and H nodes are hidden, thereby a delay is created, processing delay. And after the receiving MNDP packet by H, the MNDP packet is forwarded to the D, the destination. Before it will replace to the source node. By calculating the time interval between the A and H, the per hop delay created by A is known to the S. So the nodes A and H are considered as malicious nodes, and the complaint packet is sent to all the nodes in the network about their malicious behavior. In which the MNDP packet, these are the fields of the MNDP packet, in which it is the MNDP packet is similar to the RREQ, but it is unicasted along the three paths only. After the reduction of the malicious node, the complaint packet is sent by the source node to all the nodes in the network to save their malicious node in the routing table, so that if the malicious node tries to communicate with the other nodes in the network, it is prevented at the time of the transmission of the hello message itself. And this is the field of the complaint packet. In this we use the two trust Sarp protocol. We can achieve the safest path for routing without using the extra hardware, and here we use the threshold values for per hop delay and the expiration time. If the per hop delay is beyond the threshold value, the node is considered as a malicious node and it is quarantined by the entire network. The expiration time is the time in which the malicious node is, the packets from the malicious nodes are accepted and checked if the two malicious nodes are nearby. If not, they will be obviously continued. If it is detected by any node in the network that the two malicious nodes are nearby, then it will be again send the complaint packet to reinitialize the values. Our conclusion in the future occurs as follows. If the malicious node sends the complaint packet about the good nodes in the network, then the issues should be considered, and we can also analyze the methods to confirm the malicious nodes in the network by their other behaviors as a future works. Thank you.